86,400. That's an incredibly important number. That's the number of units that you get to invest every single day. And believe me, you are doing it whether you know it or not. That's how many seconds there are in a day. 86,400. It's not that much. You sleep a good portion of them. So what are you doing with the rest? Well, let me first tell you that most people don't understand that every single second of your life is an investment. You never waste anything, even though it might seem like it, but you invest it in something. The question is, what are you investing it in? Are you investing it in well-being? Are you investing it in expansion, in knowledge, in health, in love, in beauty, in joy, in healing? Or are you investing it in pain, in sorrow, in worries, in fears, in doubts, in sickness? Are you investing it in thoughts that keep you in a loop? Are you investing it in relationships that don't lead anywhere? Are you investing it in beliefs about yourself that hurt you in the long run? Because what does an investment do? It always gives you a return. So what is the return of your investment? Look at your life, and that's the answer. If you look at every area of your life, your health, your mental well-being, your spiritual well-being, your relationships, your financial well-being, all of it is the return of your investment of the past. Now, you might not have known this and you just lived life and you thought this is how you do it, but you have to rethink that. You have to be aware that every second of your life is an investment, and how you live it, how you approach it, what you put your attention to, and what you really, really focus on. That's going to be your return of investment. So ask yourself this: 86,400. That's not too much. What am I doing with those seconds today? And what is my return of investment? Unless you get this, you're just going to live life on autopilot. And here's the worst part about it. The people that want to control others are aware of this, and so they want your 86,400 units of investment. They want you to invest it for them. So they want you to think thoughts that benefit them. They want you to do things that benefit them. They want you to stay in a space of apathy and not knowing and ignorance because it benefits them. So you have to take back your 86,400 seconds every day and start investing them so you'll have the optimal return of investment. That's the key here.